A VPN, this is a virtual private network, and it gives you online privacy and anonymity by creating a private network on a public internet connection by using encryption. And on the market right now, we have different types of these VPNs like Nord, Express, Kaspersky. The list is endless, but in this video, I'll be using Proton. That's my personal choice. So before we install our VPN, let's just do a quick search of a coffee shop near me so that we compare my location now and after installing our VPN. So I'll go to my Google and then just type in coffee shop near me. Okay, so you can see here that all those places are in Cape Town. Let me just minimize so that you can see. So here, this is in Cape Town. All right. Now let's go and download our Proton VPN. So I'll type in Proton VPN, and then okay, let's just click on this one. And then I will go to the Proton website, and then okay, let's click here. All right, and then let's go to Get Proton now. Okay, so as you can see here, there are different packages. If you want the paid ones, you can get this one for $499, $599, $999. But if you go down, you see here where it says Proton VPN for free. This is the one that we're going to install now. This is the free one. So click on Get VPN Free. So Proton will ask you to create an account. So just go ahead and fill in all the details. And then from there now you just click to create your account, and then you can save or never save as okay. Let me say never save, and then I am human. So now it's creating our account, so let's wait. So now it says download Proton VPN, so you click on downloads. And then you come here again, and then you click on download Proton VPN. You see now that at the bottom there it's already downloading. On our bottom right left corner, it's not downloading. So let's wait for it to finish downloading so that we can install it. And once it's done, let's open our downloads. So show in folder. And then here now we can install our Proton. Let's install. And then here on the wizard, you just press next. All right, now our Proton is installed. So let's click on finish. And then now let's test now, let's refresh. So I'll restart my browser so that I can test. So here's my Proton. So click on Proton. Click on Proton there on the desktop so that we can activate our VPN. Okay, so it will ask you to log in. So let's log in our details, the ones that we used when we're creating our account. So let's log in. Okay, so now this is what you'll see once you've opened your Proton. So as you can see here that we have three options. We can connect to Japan, Netherlands, or the United States. So there are more servers here. There are more countries that you can choose from, but these are for the paid packages. So if you are using this one, the one that is for free, you only have three options: Japan, Netherlands, and United States. So when you want to connect now, you go to the country that you want to connect. And then now I will go to Netherlands here, and then just click on connect. So now it's connecting to servers in Netherlands. Okay, so as you can see now, I've been connected. So now let's go now back to our browser and test to see if we are really in Netherlands. So I'll minimize this and then go to my browser. So remember, when we did an initial search for a coffee shop, we're being shown coffee shops in Cape Town. So now let's say coffee shops near me. So I'll just click enter here. Okay, so now my language is already changed because it's assuming that I'm in Netherlands. So okay, now let's change to English. So I'll go down where it says English. Here is English, yes. So I'll click on English. All right, okay, so what is it saying here? Okay, so let's just say reject all or accept all. All right, okay, so as you can see now, these are the coffee shops that I'm being shown. So if I minimize, let me minimize this so that you'll be able to see now where we are. So as you can see now, it's showing that we are in Netherlands. Here, can you see? Here we have Belgium, here we have Germany, and United Kingdom there in Denmark. So it means that our VPN is working perfectly. Okay, let's change our location. Let's go back to our Proton and disconnect this servers. So disconnect, and then let's go now to the US. So I'll come here and connect to the US. So now it's connecting to servers in the US, and once it's connected, I'll be given an IP address that will be from US. So now my computer is connected now to servers in the US. So my computer will appear as if I am in the US. And here you can also choose to go to Japan. So let's disconnect here. Let's disconnect the US, disconnect here. And then we can also choose Japan. So let's click on Japan. Now it's connecting to servers in Japan. So you'll be having a lot of choices to choose from, even if you're using the free version of Proton. And as you can see, the speeds are pretty okay. All right, so here is the map. So this is the one that we are connected to now, the Japan one, and then this is the new Netherlands one, and then the US one will be here. So this is basically how Proton free VPN work. And as I've showed you, if you have money and you can pay, you'll get more services. But with the free one, you'll be able to do a lot of things.